Hi, I'm Shelly, and today I'll walk through how you can use Jira for agency collaboration. Before we jump to the demo, let's quickly talk about what we mean by agency collaboration. Marketing teams often work with external partners, like creative studios, media agencies, or content shops to help get work out the door. These partners can help fill gaps in time, skills, or capacity. But without a shared system to track deliverables, things can get a little messy. Briefs might lack detail, feedback rounds take longer than it should, and timelines get fuzzy. That's where Jira comes in. It gives both internal and external teams a single place to stay aligned and keep work moving. Let's take a look at how this might work in our demo environment for VitaFleet, a fictional healthcare logistics company that specializes in the global distribution of medical supplies. VitaFleet's marketing team partners with Trendly, an external agency responsible for all things social, from strategy and content creation to community engagement across multiple channels. To streamline communication and workflows, VitaFleet gives Trendly access to their organization's collection of Atlassian tools. At the Atlassian system level, the VitaFleet org admin created a user group titled Trendly and added the Trendly members to it. This way, the admin doesn't need to manually adjust the product access for each member one by one, but can manage access under a single user group. Here, the user group Trendly has access to Atlassian Teamwork Collection's suite of apps, Jira, Confluence, and Loom. At the Jira app level, VitaFleet's admins can fine-tune what Trendly can actually do in each Jira project with project roles. Let's take a closer look. In the Trendly project, Trendly's team is added with the team role. That gives them full access to work items in this project. They can create, edit, delete, link issues, leave comments, and more. But in other projects, such as Creative Studio, their access is more limited. Here, the Trendly group is added under a different role called Agency Partner, which was created by VitaFleet. Trendly can view and browse work in the Creative Studio project, but they can't make changes or modify issues that fall outside their scope. This setup gives Trendly full control where they need it and limited access where it makes sense. It keeps the right people involved without compromising security or oversight. Each quarter, Trendly kicks things off with VitaFleet Marketing and Confluence. They use a shared folder to brainstorm social campaign ideas and draft a quarterly plan to prep for what's ahead. Let's zoom in on one Q4 initiative, the MediRoute Launch Go-to-Market Social Campaign. Tracy, VitaFleet's marketing lead, put together a campaign brief with everything Trendly needs, from strategy and messaging to deliverables and budget. When it's time to get moving, Tracy, VitaFleet's PMM marketing team lead, uses Rovo, Atlassian's AI agent, to help spin up Jira tickets directly from the page. Rovo pulls in key details like specs and approvers, helping Tracy get work set up for Trendly to get started in no time. Let's check out a work item that's a bit further along. Here, John from the Trendly agency is working on a TikTok ad for the MediRoute product launch. Before moving it to In Progress, John pings VitaFleet's PMM lead, Tracy, with a few quick questions, like who the target audience is and any key details on MediRoute. He uses Jira's built-in comments to tag her directly in the task, so nothing gets lost. John can also use AI to level up the work item, like pulling in relevant Confluence pages for more context, cleaning up the task description, summarizing past comments, and even linking related work. Here, John uses AI to help suggest relevant documents as reference. It's a faster, smarter way to keep everything connected. As John completes the work, he moves it to the stakeholder review stage, triggering a notification to VitaFleet marketing lead Tracy, who needs to approve the TikTok post. Once approved, it moves to the brand compliance review, where Sam from VitaFleet's brand team reviews the work for adherence to branding guidelines. In this case, Sam flags an outdated VitaFleet logo in the TikTok post and provides the updated file for John to use. John updates the deliverable, and the workflow continues until the task is approved and moved to the ready for launch status. Trenley then uploads the final TikTok post, marking the task as complete. With everything flowing through Jira, Trenley and the VitaFleet marketing team can communicate quickly, stay aligned at every stage, and keep work moving. Another big win of having Trenley in Jira? A clear visibility of high-level progress, especially when a project involves so many different teams. For the MediRoot go-to-market launch, Tracy uses plans to connect work across product, engineering, creative, and sales, and now the agency team at Trenley. With everyone working in the same system, she can track progress, manage dependencies, and stay on top of key milestones, all from one place. That means Tracy gets a real-time view of what's happening across work streams, even one managed by external teams like Trenley, and can catch blockers early and keep marketing efforts aligned with the product timeline. Jira makes it easier to manage work with agency partners. Number 1, alignment. Everyone works in the same place, so deadlines, deliverables, and feedback are easy to track. Number 2, clarity. Real-time updates keep teams and agencies aligned without constant check-ins. And number 3, trust. And when things run smoothly, agencies can focus on great work, building stronger partnerships in the process. Ready to give Jira a try? We hope this example walkthrough sparks some ideas for how you can collaborate with external partners, like agencies, more easily with Jira. Thanks for watching.